When the First Gulf War broke out in 1991, the British Army was unprepared for a conflict in the desert, although the four-colour desert DPM camouflage pattern had been developed in the 1980s. The MOD could not see an immediate use for it. The design had been used to produce uniforms for the export market and sold to Iraq. It was also produced under licence for Kuwait and Saudi Arabia, amongst others. As the level of threat increased in the Middle East, it became clear that British forces might need to deploy to the region, and having an identical pattern of camouflage to potential enemies would only cause confusion or worse. The evidential two-tone desert camouflage was different enough to go into production, and quantities were received by troops taking part in the First Gulf War. The shirt has two pockets on either side. These are bellowed to allow expansion and secured with flap tops and a single button. The buttons are the same design used on many British Army uniforms since the Second World War. The shirt also has a pen pocket on the upper sleeve for 5 pens. Each shoulder has a button strap for displaying of rank and to help secure webbing. The shirt is secure with a zip that is then covered by 6 buttons. The zips are mostly by Opti. Just wanted to add a bit more on about the zips, and also you can get makers like the YKK as well. The first field dressing pocket is secured by a flap that may be square or pointed. Neither this nor cloth and button colour variations appear to be significant as regards to production date. So here, as you can see, there's 3 first field dressing pockets that are pointed. It's not really picking up on camera, but this button is a more darker colour compared to these two, and again this colour on the square pocket is a more of a cream colour. Here is a joint services dressing, or a first field dressing packet. This is dated November, just here, 1982. And this will go in here. There is also the cuff, tabs that are either square or pointed also. Three Desert DPM prints were in use up to and during the Gulf War. This is the more uncommon sparse print. The sparse print appears to be an early variant that was soon dropped from clothing. The easy recognisable sparse print consists of larger, less subtle dark shapes on the sand background. And now just turned over to the back of the shirt again, and you can see the sparse pattern. Prints 1 and 2 are identifiable from easily seen patterns common to both prints, but with slight differences. In print 1, the jumping fox shape in the centre of the picture has one front and one hind leg. In print 2, it has two hind legs. In print 1, an anvil-like pattern is visible above the fox, but is blotted out in print 2. Just coming for a closer look at the fox, as you can see, the fox here has one front leg and one hind leg, and then just above the fox is the anvil shape for this print. This is the print 2 variant. Again, you can see the jumping fox, it has one front leg and now it has two hind legs, and above the anvil has now been blotted out with a different pattern. And this is just a side-by-side comparison showing the two types. As you can see, print 1, one hind leg, and then again here, print 2, two hind legs, and then the anvil, and then here the anvil has been blotted out with a different pattern.